drawing a mermaid. First I am drawing a heart crown, and then I am drawing a cute face. I am drawing its eyes. I am drawing its tiny eyes. I am drawing its hair, its short hair. Then I am drawing its body. Now I am drawing its tail. Today I am drawing a wavy mermaid. I am drawing water drops. I am drawing a sea plant. Now let's color with me. I am coloring in crown, red color. I am coloring its hair with yellow color. I am coloring in head, dark pink color, and its belly, light blue color. Let's color in a body. In first layer, red color, dark red color. In second layer, orange color. In third layer, yellow color. In fourth layer, sky blue color. And the last layer is indigo color. I am coloring in tail, light green color. Then I am drawing its face, its smiley face, skin color. Let's color together. Now I am drawing its neck and its hand. Dark green color, I am coloring in sea plant. Do you like my mermaids? Light green color. I am coloring in a stone, brown color. Do you like long hair? I am coloring a water drops with light blue color. I love long hair. I am coloring a waves, light blue color.
Subscribe us for more videos.